Here's how to use WhatsApp on your computer. There are two ways. You can either download and install WhatsApp or use it in your browser. Let's start with the browser. Just open any browser that you have and on the address bar, type web.whatsapp.com. Hit enter and it will take you to the WhatsApp sign-in page. Now grab your smartphone, open WhatsApp, then go to settings. Now select link devices, press OK and scan the QR code that you're seeing on the WhatsApp web. After that, you'll be signed in. But WhatsApp web has some limitations. For example, you can't make video calls. So to access all its features, it's recommended that you install WhatsApp, which is available on both Microsoft Store and macOS App Store. Just install and open it, then following the same process, sign in by scanning the QR code. After that, you can use WhatsApp just like you do on your smartphone. That's all. Go ahead and enjoy WhatsApp and stay tuned for more.